Hello, Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. So simply got to use a 25 litre Hotbox, 240 volt. You've got your inlet and your outlet, 22mm screw fittings, and like I say, this is 240 volt, 25 litre boiler inside the actual system itself. What we'll simply do is we'll take the lid off and have a look inside. So we've got the lid off, got the fuel tank at the back, the thermostat inside there. This is set up so as soon as you turn the machine on, the blower motor runs, so we don't overheat on the boiler side of it, so it's always putting cold air from the blower motor. Got a fuel level switch in the tank, so if it runs low on fuel it will knock off, it will stop the burner from running, but the blower motor will still continue running, putting cold air into the boiler itself. Thank you very much. Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube, and that is a 25 litre boiler setup system, Hotbox.